With its Announcements and Tasks module, MobyMax ensures that every student in your class stays connected and informed. To access the Announcements and Tasks module, click on the Tools tab at the top of the home page. Then, click on the Announcements and Tasks icon in the Communicate section. Near the top, you will see 4 main categories: Announcements, Tasks, Events, and Polls. Let's take a look at how to use each of these tools. You can create a class-wide announcement by clicking on Create Announcement. Announcements allow you to communicate information about updates, housekeeping items, or even to give words of encouragement. You can type the message you would like to send to your class. Choose whether you want your students to be able to respond as a class, and then choose the specific group you would like to send the announcement to. To finish, click Post Announcement. You will see all of your announcements as a list. The icons on the left of an announcement will allow you to add an additional comment, delete the announcement, or edit the announcement. Next, you can set an online or offline task for your class to complete by clicking on Tasks and then Create Task. Here, you can enter a title and a description of the task. Next, you can create an event by clicking on Events and then clicking Create Event. Events are a useful tool to inform students about happenings in the classroom, online, or even school-wide events and important dates. Here, you can enter a title for the event and a description. Again, you can choose whether to include comments from the entire class, what date the event will start and end, and what groups or classes will receive the announcement. Finally, you can create a class poll. You can use polls to ask for students' opinions or to ask questions related to topics covered as a class. First, click Create Poll and then enter a question for your students. You can then add up to 5 answer choices and mark a correct answer if there is one. Students will see announcements, tasks, events, and polls in their student accounts when they log in. They just need to click the Communication button in their student account and then click on Announcements and Tasks. Here, they can click through their announcements, tasks, events, and polls and respond if needed.